This has been my video editing rig for the last 4 months, a 2014 Mac Mini. It served me well, but it's time for an upgrade. This is the new M4 Mac Mini. Saw all the hype and all of the press releases, and I thought I would pick it up. Great price for what it offers, so thought I would snag it to help improve my videos and editing. So let's see what happens. As you can see, it's a very small box comparatively. The box that I had gotten my 2014 in was a lot larger. So this one, as you can see, I got it. The base is 16 gigabytes of memory, 256 SSD, and the M4 base chip. So this one was either the M4 or the M4 Pro. I just got the base model for $599. And 16 gigabytes is the minimum amount, finally, that you can get for these. It had been 8 gigabytes for years, which honestly in 2024 is not good enough. So let's open it up and see what we've got. As always, Apple has the most simple packaging and unboxing experience, even in recent years. And there it is. Nothing to hide. Just open it up and it's right there. It's interesting how it's sitting on top. It's not actually enclosed inside the box, but not much to it. It has this wrapping on the front and the back. I would say there's no other company who packages things quite like Apple does, but just peel it off the sides and the back. And there it is. Very clean. Still has that machined aluminum smooth edge with 2 USB-C ports on the front, LED light, 3.5mm headphone jack. On the back, 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports, HDMI 2.1, and this is a gigabit Ethernet, and then your power, which is internal power supply. And then the power switch on the bottom, which has been controversial for some. I don't mind it personally, but... And then the thermals that they've done, intake and outtake on the bottom. Very interesting how they've designed that. And on the inside, just a power cord, no other accessories. Since everything is pretty much wireless, you don't get any accessories as Magic Mouse, no Magic Keyboard, and then just your standard documentation, safety, and warranty, Apple Care. And the cable is actually pretty nice, from what I've seen. It's just bundled up. It's braided, which is something I haven't seen before. Normally it was this rubberized cable, and the plug itself is something I haven't seen. Just a little bit of unwrapping. And the plug doesn't have the normal notches as you would normally see in a US standard plug. So I thought that was interesting. So I'm quite excited for this little cube of a computer that Apple has come out with. I also thought I'd partner up with the MX Master 3S by Logitech. Heard a lot of good things about this mouse, some used by professionals. Excellent feel, scroll wheel, so I thought I would give this one a try to go with it. Yeah, and this is my 2014. I thought I would do a little size comparison. You can really see how much wider it is. The new Mac Mini comes in at 5.5 inches, 5 inches, and then the 2014 is 7.7 by 7.7, and then 1.4 inches tall. So you can see it's definitely thicker. They've had to pack a lot more into it for the size. But this shows you in 10 years what they've really come up with. And the weight comparison is 2.9 pounds for the 2014 versus 1.6 for the M4. Now, I did run a Geekbench 6 where you can see single multi-core. It's night and day between both the M4 and the 2014. 10 years and Apple Silicon. Also, Final Cut Pro the big thing for me. You can see it took 493 seconds to render a 5-minute 1080p video versus 90 seconds for the M4 Mac Mini. Truly night and day. I'm happy with it. So would I recommend this? Honestly, yes, I would. For the price, it's hard to get any standalone machine for this price that can do what it can do. And if you are in the hunt for a small machine of some kind that can do what it can do, edit video, I would highly recommend this. Thank you.